Hi, I'm Adam C, and welcome to the Adam C Studios, which is otherwise known as my bedroom. Turtle Wax have asked me to show you a day in my life. So we start here in the studio, where I of course begin each day because my bed is over there, so that's where I wake up and put my makeup on. Now today is a weekend. Weekends are my most exciting days because weekend is where car shows happen, and every single weekend, and that's not a lie, every single weekend I go to car shows. I even have a book here that I note down every car show I go to. This is each month, every car show. This was June 2019, which has 10 events written, an average of more than 2 every week. So that's my life. Now, amongst other things that I'll be up to today, I'm off to Winchester Autobahn, which is a car show on this Saturday, so I'm looking forward to going there. I am taking my Nissan 350Z, which needs a clean because I've been using it all week, so I'm going to clean it first. It's about 6 AM at the moment, as I didn't have any time last night to clean the car. I have to do it this morning, which kind of sucks because it's early. But don't forget to subscribe to the Turtle Wax channel for more videos from myself and other members of their Shine Squad. See what they get up to, see what I get up to, and visit the Turtle Wax website for all the products that are listed in this video. Now, I of course begin every wash with the Turtle Wax Max Power Car Shampoo, and I also use the recognised 2-bucket method, 1 bucket with water and Turtle Wax shampoo in it to wash the car, and then after each section of the car I rinse it off in a clear water bucket and then back into the soap again. However, now the car has been cleaned, I am finishing off with Turtle Wax's Carnauba Paste Cleaner Wax. This is an easy to remove paste wax that provides a high shine and tight water beading as well. And then little things like Turtle Wax Wet and Black Tyre and Trim Gel is enough to keep the tyres shiny. It doesn't take long to apply, but it creates maximum effect. But once the car is clean, it's back in the car and driving over to the show. It's only about an hour away. I seem to live about an hour away from every show that I go to. I do try not to go too much further than that, but luckily I don't live too far from a lot of key locations around Britain. But today's show is for predominantly classic cars, but modern cars, a bit like my 2006 Nissan 350Z, are welcome as well. It's good on a Saturday morning to wake up early, have a bacon butty or a pain au chocolat, cup of tea or coffee. I don't actually drink tea or coffee, and it's always good to look around the batch of cars that have turned up today because every weekend is different and the excitement is never really knowing which cars actually turn up. Now that the show is over, it's back into the edit studio in the Adam C studio in my bedroom to edit the videos and see the photos that I've taken at the event. And a lot of these photos are shared on Turtle Wax's Instagram page at Turtle Wax, so give them a follow to see some of the stuff that I, myself and others of the Shine Squad get up to in our everyday life. So I do hope you enjoyed the video, a little insight to my normal weekend day. In the week it's a little bit different. I go off to work and do normal worky things, so weekends are far more enjoyable for me. But for more enjoyable videos, subscribe to Turtle Wax's YouTube channel, and for more posts from myself and other members of the team, go follow Turtle Wax on Instagram, as well as visiting the Turtle Wax website, turtlewax.com, for all the products that I've mentioned in this video, as well as a whole range more. But I will see you next month for more car show content. But for now, thanks for watching.